Professional tile cleaning in Hounslow. Restore your floors today. Are your floors looking dull, stained, or impossible to keep clean? No matter how often you mop, the dirt just won't go away. We specialize in professional tile and stone cleaning across Hounslow from our base in New Malden. Whether your marble needs polishing, your travertine is soiled and ugly, your limestone is dull and grimy, your terrazzo is damaged and needs restoration, you have soiled, unattractive slate floors, your Victorian tiles need restoration, your quarry tiles or terracotta tiles need cleaning and sealing, or your porcelain tiles and grout need a good clean. We can restore their natural beauty with our expert deep cleaning. We use heavy-duty scrubbing equipment to remove deep-set grime, stains, and years of wear without damaging your floors. We apply high-quality sealants to protect your tiles, making future cleaning easier and your floors last longer. Don't replace your floors, restore them. Call us today at 0137 266 4337 or visit our website tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk to book your free consultation.